Hi there, I just wanted to show you how to burp your bag if you've got a Hollister bag with this little tab on it in the back. And I emptied my bag, but I've got some air in it, so I figured I'd show you how to burp it. Instead of opening up down here and then pushing the air down, you just roll your bag up like this. See all that air that's in there? Then you barely pull on this little tab right here and push it down and then snap it back. So then you get all of the air out of your bag and you can keep going.